Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is the Rising Tech. To avoid missing any of my videos, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to be the first to know whenever a new video is uploaded. Today I'll be sharing with you how to pair the Amazon Firestick remote to any TV in order to use the control buttons to be able to utilize the power controls as well as the volume up and down control buttons. So sometimes you'll buy the Amazon Fire Stick and it automatically programs itself with your existing TV, but sometimes you'll have to go around and have it programmed. So I've seen many instances when maybe you have your Fire Stick in your bedroom and then you want to bring it down to the living room and you have to suffer the burden of having to use two remote controls, just to increase or lower the volume. So today I'll be showing you a shortcut on how to solve that problem to make your life a little bit easier. So when you are on the home screen of the Amazon Fire Stick, you make sure that you go up to the menu where the home button is and just keep scrolling all the way to the right, all the way to settings. And once you're in settings, scroll down to notifications, then keep going to the right, all the way to equipment control right there. Once you hit the equipment control, then you have to scroll down to manage equipment and you press OK. So this gives you a few options. One of the options is TV, then the other one is Fire TV, advanced settings. So in this video, and what you're trying to do here, you're going to need the TV button right there. Scroll down to TV and press OK. Then it gives you additional menu items here. You'll see infrared options, power controls, input switching, change TV. So in our own situation right now, you're going to need to click on change TV. And once you do that, it automatically highlights the cancel button, but you need to scroll up to change TV. And it will tell you that it may take about 5 to 10 minutes, but do not pay any attention to that. It usually all happens within a minute. So click on change TV. And because in my situation, my TV is already programmed with the Fire Stick, is already paired, and I'm also using the USB cable as my power source, so it's recommending that I include a power adapter. So in this case, I'll just click on continue. You may not see this in yours if you're using a direct power source. So click on continue, and it will tell you that please wait while we prepare your remote for setup. Give it a few seconds and you'll be able to get it all done. So you see, now it detected my TV as a Samsung TV. If you have a Vizio, if you have whatever TV you have, it is going to detect it and it's going to ask you, is this correct? So in my situation, it's a Samsung TV. I'll click on yes. Okay, now it says your Fire TV remote has been paired. If you're doing it for the first time, it is going to ask you to click on the power button to turn off the TV and turn it on. Once you turn it back on, it's going to bring you back to the Fire TV screen again, and it's going to ask you to press the volume control button up and down to make sure it works. And once it all works, just click OK, and then get out of it, go back, keep clicking all the way back to your home screen, and you'll be able to utilize your Fire TV to turn on and off your TV as well as use the volume controls. Thank you for watching this, and if you do like the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification button in order to be one of the first people to see any video that I do upload. Thank you.